AOS Wizard Profile Setup. When setting up your profile, there are 4 standard door types that require configuring first: base doors, upper doors, small drawer fronts, and large drawer fronts. You start by configuring your base doors. Here we will choose a thermofoil door configuration. You can select the options to configure your door manually, or you can choose your configuration from existing door styles we feature on the website in the Favorites drop-down menu. In this example, we will create a custom door. You can configure your door preferences by choosing from our image library, typing in for fast entry, or just pick from the drop-down menu. When you are finished with your configuration, you can choose a vinyl color. And for this example, we will also choose a matching back color for the back of our thermofoil doors. Save your configuration when you are finished. Next, we will configure your upper doors. This time, we will create a tenon door, and then we will also choose a profile from the favorites. As you can see, all your profile information is now filled in. You just have to choose your species, and in this case we want a painted door, so we will choose Maple HDF. Then we will pick a finish color. Here you can add additional finishing if you like. Now save your configuration. Now we move on to your small drawer fronts. Here we want to add slab drawer fronts with the same edge profile and color as our base cabinets. However, here we would like to change to a horizontal grain. After selecting a matching back option, we save and move on to the large drawer fronts. Here, we are going to copy your configuration from the small drawer fronts we just finished. Next, we want to add a mullion frame for our upper cabinets, so we go to the optional special door configuration. We want to add the same door style we chose for our upper cabinets, so we go back to our favorites and select it. However, in this case, we want to change the panel to a mullion frame option. Make sure to add your species and finish color. When you are finished, you save and add another specialty door if you like, or change any of the additional options presented. Integrated cabinet box finishing options will be displayed based on your configuration options. You can now move on to configure your AOS cabinets, but first, you need to save your AOS Wizard profile. Click the Save button and enter a name for your profile project. Once saved, your AOS Wizard profile can be loaded and used for future estimates. To clear your AOS Wizard profile and start over, simply click the Clear Wizard link and all your fields will reset. When you are finished, you can move on to configure your AOS cabinets. Watch the next video ordering AOS cabinets to find out more.